Hello, my name is Diana, and today we will be going over our COVID-19 safety training. ANSA Management prioritizes the health and safety of its employees, vendors, contractors, residents, and anyone who steps foot inside our work sites. Our health and safety initiative has three parts: installation and implementation of preventative measures in the workplace, training our team on these initiatives, and encouraging employees to assist in the process by practicing various safety measures. Basic COVID-19 facts. Coronavirus is an illness caused by a virus that can spread from person to person. COVID-19 symptoms can range from mild, no symptoms, to severe illness. You can become infected by coming into close contact with a person who has COVID-19. COVID-19 is primarily spread from person to person and via air and can spread by those more than 6 feet apart. You can become infected from respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. You may also be able to get it from touching a surface or an object that has the virus on it, and then by touching your mouth, nose, or eyes. COVID-19 symptoms. COVID-19 symptoms means fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, chills, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion, or a runny nose, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. Possessing some of these symptoms, not all of these, should provide you pause about whether medical treatment and or additional response is necessary. Policies and procedures. The company maintains a written COVID-19 prevention program in addition to its injury and illness prevention program. This document is available for review in our ADP portal. The company's employee handbook also has various policies and procedures regarding accommodation, paid leave, and other benefits available to those that may be impacted by COVID-19. The company is training all employees regarding its COVID-19 practices and procedures in accordance with California law. Benefits as applicable. Workers' compensation benefits for work-related transmission of COVID-19, PTO, paid sick leave, FFCRA, and emergency paid sick leave voluntarily extended through March 31st, 2021. Additional leave provided for under policy. Implementation and importance of safety measures. Signage on walls and flooring, such as common areas, laundry rooms, maintenance shops. Do not remove any of the signage. If removed, please replace with new. Face coverings required for all of those that enter the premises. Hand sanitizer displayed across the worksite. Implementation of social distancing protocol. Installation of sneeze guards. These are the plastic coverings placed on top of desks. Requirement of single-use writing utensils. Increased and frequent cleaning of work sites. We have conducted a workplace-specific identification of all interactions, areas, activities, processes, equipment, and materials that could expose an employee to COVID-19 hazards. We have analyzed to what extent we can maximize outdoor air coming into the workplace. We are utilizing internal and external resources to keep updated on all applicable orders and guidance. We use the ADP portal to keep all employees informed of multiple resources available to them. Safety measures our team should be taking. Stay home if you are sick, except to get medical care. Inform your supervisor if you have a sick family member and at home with COVID-19. Wear face coverings throughout the workplace, but remember that this is not respiratory protective equipment. Minimize movement and use of common areas while on duty whenever possible. Utilize telephone, email, and video conferencing with colleagues when possible. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Cover your mouth, nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze or use the inside of your elbow. Throw the used tissue in the trash. Immediately wash hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces such as workstations, keyboards, telephones, handrails, and doorknobs. Dirty surfaces can be cleaned with soap and water prior to disinfection. Avoid using other employees' phones, desks, offices, or other work tools and equipment when possible. If necessary, clean and disinfect them before and after use. Practices social distancing by maintaining distance approximately 6 feet or 2 meters from others when possible. Reduce in-person meetings and, if necessary, practice social distancing during these meetings. Avoid common areas while on duty, if at all possible. What happens if an employee states he or she is not feeling well? Employees who have symptoms when they arrive at work or become sick during the day should immediately be separated from other employees, residents, vendors, etc., and sent home. Employees who develop symptoms outside of work should notify their supervisor and stay home. You should next contact Human Resources to discuss the situation. Employees who have symptoms may be placed on an unpaid or paid leave that shall be coordinated by Human Resources for up to 10 days since symptoms started and 3 days after symptoms ended. The company shall keep information related to employees confidential and private. Additional safety considerations. If you see an employee, resident, prospect, customer, contractor, etc., violating our safety protocol, immediately contact Maria Chapman, the Human Resources Director, at hrmanager@ansamanagement.com or call 949-645-1422 extension 243. Monitor and report potential health and safety threats. Employees who report potential violations or safety concerns shall do so without any fear. Adhering to these safety protocols and keeping one another updated is crucial to maintaining a safe workplace. If you are experiencing symptoms, please make sure to get tested. Human Resources can provide you with websites regarding nearby locations for tests and benefits related information. There are multiple COVID-related resources available in our ADP portal. If you have questions or concerns, you may contact Maria Chapman, our Human Resources Director. Thank you for watching this presentation.